Race Holders, the new standard in racing. Race Holders combines the proven quality of Bikesplast with the precision engineering of DB Holders. The result is a stronger manufacturing base, greater production capacity, improved availability, and faster delivery for racing teams and distributors worldwide. Driven by innovation and attention to detail, we continue to expand our portfolio with the latest models, including the Yamaha R9, Yamaha R7, and Kawasaki ZX-10R. Built in Europe and proven on the track, our products deliver the quality and performance racers demand. Race Holders, DB Holders, Bikesplast. Together, we're taking racing performance to the next level.